Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Today I'll like to share another defense mechanism that will be displacement, or how to displace your negative emotions in proper way. We know that displacement is a defense mechanism, and defense mechanism are the psychological strategies that are unconsciously used to protect a person from anxiety arising from unacceptable thoughts or feelings. We all use it. Displacement is the redirection of the impulse, usually aggression, onto a powerless substitute target. This target may be a person or an object that can serve as a symbolic substitute. Displacement occurs when it wants to do something of which the superego does not permit it to do. So as a result, the ego finds some other way of releasing the psychic energy of the id. Thus, there is a transfer of energy from a repressed object, cathexis, to a more acceptable object. For example, a boss gives his employee a hard work at office. The employee cannot shout back in fear of being fired by the boss. So what you will do? The employee was frustrated, goes home and shouts at his wife. The wife could not shout back as her husband out of fear. She started yelling at her son, as son was less threatening. The boy had no fault. He felt bad and frustrated. Now he would shout at whom? The boy started screaming at his dog. He found him less threatening than parents. So at each stage, person redirects a negative emotion, mostly anger, from its original source to a less threatening receptant. As a result, we all are hurt in this process. So displacement is a psychological defense mechanism in which a person redirects a negative emotion from its original source to a less threatening receptant. Everybody is hurt here. Now, how to lovingly handle displaced anger in our real life? First, remain silent and disengage yourself in some other thing. There is no point in arguing, explaining, or defending. Wait for the time. Comfort yourself. Comfort yourself. May drink water. Maybe cool yourself. Third, reorient yourself in the present moment and take appropriate action. Be engaged in some other things. Take other action to recenter your emotion. You can count backward. Speak with other person. Share this moment. Share this experience. Share these feelings to others. That is the best medicine. Try to handle displaced anger wisely so that others will not be harmed by this. Thank you for watching the video.